Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make moringa juice at home. First, select about 1 cup of fresh moringa leaves. Make sure they are vibrant green and free from any yellowing or damage. Thoroughly wash the leaves under cool, running water to remove any dirt or impurities. This initial step is crucial for a clean and healthy juice. Prepare your blender for the next stage of the process. Now place your clean moringa leaves into a blender. Add 1 cup of filtered water to help with the blending process. For a brighter taste, you can also add a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Blend the mixture on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture. Ensure there are no large leaf pieces remaining. Once blended, pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag into a glass. Use a spoon or spatula to press down firmly on the pulp, extracting every last drop of the nutrient-rich juice. Discard the remaining pulp. Your fresh moringa juice is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to get the most out of its vibrant flavor and health properties. For the best experience, consume your moringa juice immediately after preparation. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for no more than 24 hours to maintain freshness. Moringa juice is packed with vitamins and minerals, offering a fantastic boost to your daily wellness routine. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade moringa juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.